Well, I think that, the overall theme here is that we're going to have strong economic growth in 2022. It'll be slower than we expected, but the consumer still has growing income, strong balance sheets. Corporations have strong balance sheets. We're expecting growth this year and expansion. So I think that pent up demand and consumer spending is going to keep us going forward. And, if you look at cash right now and inflation, you're essentially locking in losses if you don't get involved in equities. So I think that investors have great opportunities here. We have a tradable bottom and some decent positive highlights in the background.
All right, so we were having that debate earlier with Mike, a bottom versus a bounce. You're You're in the bottom camp then, Sylvia.
I'm in the bottom camp. When I look at companies like Apple that had a head and shoulders pattern going from, 150 up to 180 back down to 150 and sitting up here at 160, I think investors are trying to see and looking for opportunities to get in to these companies that have really positive growth potential in the future. So I do think there's some great spots in here, and it's time to put money to work.
Where do you feel twitchiest? Is it tech? Is it, energy? I mean, look, oil's back on the rise again this morning. Where do you feel the most conviction that you can put money to work?
My highest level of conviction is really in the semiconductor space right now, and for a few reasons. I think Web 3.0 is growing rapidly. You had 30 billion of VC money going there last year. You need machine learning, advanced natural language processing. It's going to be decentralized web. We own our own data. And in order to have that, you need 5G. In order to have 5G, you need semiconductors like NVIDIA. So when you look at semiconductors that are beaten up and they're going to be part of all of this artificial intelligence, everything from Web 3 to electric vehicles, and you see sort of the growth stories, that 50% sales CAGR, 23.4 billion of growth in NVIDIA last 12 months. I just really think that at these levels, they're good places to get in to really participate in 5G and the future of disruptive technology.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.